Good morning. Well, it's not morning. Happy Monday. It is Monday, August the 7th. So I'm just really getting my day started. As you saw, I just woke up, kind of did some applications, some job applications, and doing some stuff for my wig business this morning. As you saw, this is my office. I had to pack up all my things on Saturday, and so I'm gonna go through this and try to find places or somewhere to store this stuff, because yeah, it's sad. It's sad, but it's okay, because like I said, I'm not gonna be here long, no matter what I end up doing. Anyway, so on today's agenda, I do have a few wig orders that came across. I have to finish up a wig that I've been working on and pack it out so I can mail it tomorrow. Actually, I have to mail a few wigs tomorrow. And that's about it. I think my husband wants to go to the pool for a little bit, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna go to the pool. The concert last night was so fun. It's really fun. It was Snoop, Wiz Khalifa, Lady Rage, Warren G, and Too Short. Really good time, especially when you go with people that are fun. So yeah, that was good. But yeah, that's just about all I have planned for today. Get rid of those boxes. I may kind of like set up an office area with some of that stuff in here in this room we have. This is actually my son's old room, but he moved out, so we just have this extra room, and we're gonna make it into like a little office area. So, and also where I make my wigs. So we'll probably be in this room a lot. So this is the wig I have to get ready to send out. She is a 24-inch, I don't know if you can really see her, 24-inch unit. This is my Melanie unit, made with my Melanie wig, and it's made with my Cambodian wavy hair. So I just have to finish this off. I just really have to pluck the knots on it. I mean, pluck the hairline on it and just style her up. All my wigs, they come styled and ready to wear. You don't need to do anything but plop it on your head. So I gotta do that, and I actually have to start on another wig. So that's pretty much the game plan for today. So just a little bit about, you know, what my situation is. As y'all can tell from the title, your girl was definitely laid off. Which was, I mean, it came out of the blue, but it didn't really come out of the blue, because this is like the third like massive layoff my company has had since, like, I think March. And so unfortunately I was in this group that they laid off about 15 people. Which I definitely think it wasn't fair for me to get laid off. I was the highest performer last year. I even won a trip. My company even sent me on a trip, and we went to Punta Cana, and me, my husband, and my son. And so yeah, we just won a free trip. And So I don't know. I kind of feel like it might have been like a little bit of just, I wouldn't say retaliation, but I just don't think that my director liked me too much. For whatever reason, he's really kind of like, I don't know, something about him. It's a little off-putting, but I really felt like he didn't like me. I don't know. I just feel like it was unfair, you know? I really feel like it was unfair. You know, everyone else in my office, in my specific department, were constantly and religiously looking for new jobs, applying to jobs. They would be having Zoom interviews at work, in the office. And I feel like I was the only one really, I won't say the only one, but I know I was really concentrated on the business. I mean, really trying to get my job back to what it was last year. And what I should have been doing was what they was doing. Applying to jobs and whatever, having interviews. But, you know, that's neither here nor there. Anyway, that's where we are now. I've cried all I could cry. Now it's just time for me to just really focus on finding something else, focus on my business, and focus on my family. So I'm definitely not gonna let this time of my life be in vain. I'm definitely gonna push through and make the best out of it. So anyway, that's that. So I just figured I'd pick up the camera, and so y'all can go along on this journey with me, just in case someone may be going through this or have gone through this. You know, it's life. It's life. So, but we're gonna get ready to go to the pool and just relax a little bit. No stress. No stress. No stress. I will pick y'all back up in a little bit. Okay, so I am back home. We went to the pool, stayed about a couple hours over there, came home, made some dinner, and now I am about to build this, it's like a clothing rack, but I'm going to use it to hang up my wig orders on, in the order I need to make the wigs. So we're gonna build this. And also on this wall right here, that wall, I want to make like a flower wall, and I want to also get one of those signs that light up, and I wanted to say, you know, whatever my company's name is, which is Wigs by Melanie. But yeah, I think that'd be so cute, and that's where I can take like pictures and videos of the wigs I make. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So this is it. I got a garment rack, and I also got, oh gosh, I need some scissors, but I also got some hangers as well, some gold hangers that look like this. I thought this would be so cute. So I got the hangers to just hang, hold the hair on the garment racks. But how cute. So I'm about to put this together. and I'll show you what it looks like after I am done. Okay, so it is all put together. It's just a cute gold rack, and I'm just going to put my orders that I need to do up there. So I just have to customize that. These are some bring your own hair orders, and at the end it's a wig remake. It was too big for her. I didn't make it, but whoever she got to make it was too big for her, so I'm going to reconstruct it. So that's what we got going. I like it. Nice and organized. So now I am finishing up on this wig. Like I said, this is my Megan unit. Just plucking the I'm just plucking the hairline. Like I said, all my wigs come pre-plucked and ready to wear, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up so I can get her packed up and ready to ship out. I don't even trust that thing. Okay, here she is. She is all customized and ready to be packed up. Well, actually she's wet, so I'll pack it up tomorrow. But these waves on this unit, so pretty, you guys. So pretty. And of course all my units come ready to wear. Okay, flat at the top. All you gotta do is pop it on. Cute. Okay, y'all, so that's about it for the day. I really didn't have too much going on today. I just wanted to let y'all know what was going on. I will be trying to upload about 3 times a week, and y'all hold me to it, please. So yeah, anyway, thank y'all for watching. I would love it if you could subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post a video, because YouTube, they be blocking me. YouTube. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.